And now, let us move on to the awarding for the women's volleyball.
Nasaan? Nasaan?
Ipagpasok mo din natin sa may...
Let's read the citation of the certificate. Sangguniang Kabataan, Barangay Timbo, Certificate of Appreciation. This certificate is presented to for being one of the participating teams in the Sangguniang Kabataan ng Barangay Timbo Volleyball Tournament 2024, held at Barangay Timbo Covered Court, given this 4th day of January 2025 at Barangay Timbo Covered Court, Sitio Sanggulong, Barangay Timbo, Buena Vista, Marinduque. Signed, Gerald A. Mataya, SK Chairman. This certificate is awarded to Team GSM. Players po ng Team GSM. Once again, thank you po. Next certificate is awarded to Crossing Spikers. Any representative po from Crossing Spikers? Certificate is awarded to Team S3.
Mga bahay. Ay, uwi na kayo sa mga mapunta tayo dito. Mapunta yata eh.
Ha?
Ayaw mong mapuntang yata.
Ikaw lang pumunta dito?
Next certificate is awarded to Timbo ES. Next certificate is awarded to Team Nesty Jean. Our next award is the Best Server Award. The Best Server Award goes to Miss Desiree De Los Santos. And our next award, the Best in Uniform. And the Best in Uniform goes to Timbo ES. Once again, thank you and congratulations. Thank you po. May I call on Honorable Asinet Privado and Honorable Rixie Lasso to give the certificates and medal. Our next award is the Mythical 6 Award. Let me read the citation of the certificate. Sangguniang Kabataan, Barangay Tingbo. Mythical 6 Award. This certificate is presented to for being one of the Mythical 6 in the Sangguniang Kabataan ng Barangay Tingbo Volleyball Tournament 2024 held at Barangay Tingbo Covered Court. Given this birthday of January 2025 at Barangay Tingbo Covered Court. Sitio Sanggulong, Barangay Tingbo, Buena Vista, Marinduque. Signed Honorable Gerald A. Mataya, SK Chairman. And our Mythical 6 awardee, let's all welcome Miss Laika May and Linga. Next, Mrs. Jeanette Cruzado. Next, Miss Jaisel D. Hernandez. Next, Almira Luto. Next, Jenny May Pautagana. And lastly, Miss Cristal Pastolero. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our Mythical 6. Our next award, the Season Most Valuable Player or the Season MVP. And our Season MVP is Jaisel D. Hernandez. May I call on Honorable Gina Lynn Luto and Honorable Ryan Solas to give the certificate, plaque, and cash. This certificate is for the third runner-up for the Volleyball Tournament 2024. May I call on Timbo ES, our third runner-up. Once again, thank you and congratulations, Timbo ES. Our next award is the second runner-up. May I call on Team Nesty Jean. May I call on Honorable Petronio Celda and Honorable Asinet Privado to give the certificate, trophy, and cash. Our next award is the first runner-up for the Volleyball Tournament 2024. Our first runner-up, Team GSM. May I call on Honorable Telmo O. Reyes and Honorable Joshua Pautagana to give the certificate, trophy, and cash to our champion. And our champion, Team S3. May I call on Honorable Ryan Solas, third runner-up for the junior category. Our third runner-up, Kitikot Juniors. Thank you po. May I call on Honorable Joyce Pautagana and Honorable Gina Lynn Luto to give the certificate, trophy, and cash to our second runner-up. Our second runner-up, palakpakan po natin, Crossing Juniors! To give the certificate, thank you po. To give the certificate, may I call on Honorable Aljan Bilivicencio. To give the trophy, may I call on Honorable Asinet Privado. And to give the sash, Honorable Gerald Mataya. Our first runner-up, Team Centro. Thank you very much po. To give the certificate, may I call on Honorable Crisayan Ilaw. To give the trophy, may I call on Honorable Telmo O. Reyes. And to give the cash, may I call on Honorable Gerald A. Mataya. And our champion, Buluan Kings Jr.
Are you ready?
Thank you very much po.